AFFOA is one of the 9 Department of Defense sponsored manufacturing innovation institutes. It was really stood up to really reignite and rekindle the domestic textile industry. There's been a huge innovation taking place in functional fibers and fabrics. Most people don't know about it. Most people think about textiles as something, very, very simple, something I put on in the morning to get ready for work. Actually, there's been a revolution in terms of the capabilities that are evolving in fibers and fabrics. Research in this area has really accelerated and exploded in the past decade. And AFFOA was really stood up to take advantage of those innovations and really transition them into commercial products and for products that support our military. It's actually fundamentally why the Institute exists. It's exactly to go from that innovation of technology that comes out of universities and really make them manufacturable at scale for a product. We are really at an incredible time in history where folks are inventing fibers and fabrics that have properties that are truly unimaginable. Most people, again, you would tell them, there's a fiber. Well, what is that? I wear fibers every day. They make my clothing. Well, imagine a fiber that actually can change color. Imagine a fiber that can store information or that can measure your vital signs or that can regulate temperatures. Imagine a textile that you make from such a fiber. Well, these are not things that are just figments of imagination. These are actually technologies that are available today. They've been invented over the past 5 to 10 years, but they're sitting in publications, right? They've only been demonstrated of an N=1. What excites me is being able to take those technologies, work on them further, figure out the product market fit with the companies that we work with the startups, and actually figure out what are those products that we can derive from these amazing technologies. And it's a long journey, it's an exciting journey, but we have incredible pieces to choose from to really make some really innovative products. You can have a shirt that does all these functional things, but yet it feels, looks, and behaves like a shirt, and you can also throw it in the laundry. Now, imagine the technological challenges associated with what I just said, right? If you think about something else that actually does something similar, you probably pull out your phone. An iPhone is a great example of a piece of amazing technology that can connect to the Wi-Fi, connect to other sources of data, store information, and so forth. The time couldn't be better for entrepreneurs right now to enter this space because of the palette of technologies that are available to really create innovative products. Now, an entrepreneur comes with an amazing idea, but to realize that idea into a product, you have to do really a lot to make it work, right? We bring them in, they become a member of our institute, and we start to work with them to help them evolve their technologies, help them find the right commercial partners at the right time when actually the technology becomes, ripe for higher, what we call manufacturing readiness level or technology readiness level. One thing that kind of unites us all, I would say, in the community that we're in, is this hunger for innovation and a sense of community and a sense of, maybe I would use the word patriotism, right? That we can, as a country, produce amazing things.